Hello, today we will guide you through how to add real estate assets in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to record a property so it appears correctly in your plan and rolls into your net worth and projections. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll share tips along the way to help you enter accurate information the first time. Begin by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and head to the section labeled Current Finances. This area is the hub for everything you own and owe, and it's where you'll add items that make up your balance sheet. Inside Current Finances, select Real Assets. Real assets are things with tangible value, like homes, land, vehicles, or other property. Adding them here keeps them separated from your financial accounts, which helps your long-term plan reflect reality. Next, choose Add Asset. This opens a simple form where you'll pick the type of item you're adding and provide a few key details. Selecting the right type matters because it tailors the fields and how the asset is displayed in your plan. From the options, choose House. The House category is designed for residential properties and gives you fields that make sense for real estate. It also helps keep your dashboard organized if you later add other asset types. Now enter the purchase price. This is the original amount paid for the property at the time you acquired it. If you prefer, you can include major closing costs in this number for simplicity, but the key is to be consistent with how you track it across your properties. Entering the historical purchase price lets ProjectionLab calculate things like unrealized gains over time. If you're not sure of the exact figure, it's fine to use your best documented estimate. Then enter the current value. This should reflect today's fair market value, not what you paid. You can use a recent appraisal, a comparative market analysis, or a well-reasoned estimate based on local sales. Be realistic here. Your projections and net worth snapshots will use this number. If your currency settings are configured in ProjectionLab, values will follow that format automatically. That's all you need to capture the basics. With the house added, ProjectionLab incorporates the current value into your net worth and uses the purchase price as historical context. You can repeat the same process for additional properties as needed. Take a moment to confirm your entries look right, and you're done. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building a clearer, more accurate financial picture with your real estate in ProjectionLab.